In my video on audience and purpose, I demonstrate that the goals of communication, among others, are to inform and persuade. And the sender and receiver occupy key positions in the communication process. Audience and purpose are factors that determine the direction and nature of communication between the sender and the receiver. In the video of the writing process, I explain the stages of the writing process. During pre-writing, the writer brainstorms and organizes their information into an outline. In the drafting stage, the writer begins to compose or to write paragraphs. In the revision stage, the writer begins to check their work for unity and coherence. And in the proofreading or editing stage, the writer now looks at grammar, punctuation, spelling, and other writing mechanics. For communication to be effective, the communicator, that is the writer, should understand this process. In this video, I introduce technical writing for first-year communication students. Technical writing is expository writing that deals with a particular subject whose goal is to accomplish a particular task. It is a specialized form of exposition in the sciences, in engineering, and other fields. The word technical, according to the Merriam-Webster.com dictionary, means having knowledge of mechanical or scientific subjects, or marked by or characteristic of a specialization, or relating to a particular subject. Dictionary.com defines the word technical as belonging or pertaining to an art, science, or the like. Technical writing, therefore, is a form of professional communication, and two of the most important characteristics of technical writing, as mentioned previously, are knowing the audience and having a definite purpose. Technical writing is usually hierarchical. It is a hierarchical structure of writing. An example of a hierarchy in writing is evident in the way we write outlines, which show the different levels, concepts, and ideas that a particular document has. An outline will indicate the higher order concepts or ideas or sentences, and also the lower order ideas, sentences, and these are aligned according to the position that they occupy within the outline, and ultimately the position that they will occupy in the composition or the text that is going to be produced. As previously shown in the video on note-making, an outline can help to produce a whole passage or a piece of text, or reduce a passage or text into point form or outline form. For example, if you have an outline that talks about the types of higher learning institutions, you may divide your outline into 2 points: universities and colleges. Under universities, you may have number 1, CBU, number 2, Mulungushi. Under colleges, you may have Kitwe Teacher Training College and Mukuba College of Teachers. Universities and colleges occupy a higher level order in the outline. CBU, Mulungushi, Kitwe Teacher Training College, and Mukuba College of Teachers occupy a much lower position in the outline. And when a writer develops their text, these ideas will be reflected in the way they are seen in the outline. So there's a hierarchy of ideas that should appear first and those that should appear next. Technical writers produce documents such as product descriptions, manuals, sets of instructions, reports, and proposals within a particular subject area, industry, or profession. As communication students at university, being able to write and to produce technical documents is a necessary skill. One of the key considerations for a technical writer is the ability to use technical definitions in their work. For more information on technical definitions, see the video on technical definitions.